guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the noise suppression feature on Discord. So what noise suppression does is that it minimalizes background noises. For instance, if it rains or if there's loud noises in the background like cars, etc., it'll suppress noises like that, but people will still be able to hear you talking. And to do that, I'm just going to go in a voice channel, join voice, and as you can see next to the headphone button, there headphone icon, there is these lines. There's 5, and for instance, the noise suppression is turned off, it'll have a cross, but if you enable it, it won't have the cross over the lines, and then you would have enabled noise suppression. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!